Welcome. In front of me I have REALME 8 and today I'll show you how you can activate Hey Google. You have to go for the Google folder and find Google app. Next you have to move for the more, tap on the settings, choose the voice and click on voice match. Right now tap on the switcher into the OK Google, click next, let's click agree, and then you have to say OK Google or Hey Google for the 3 times. Hey Google. And the last one, OK Google. Click next, click finish, and now just say Hey Google. As you can see, our assistant is activated. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.